Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A50 and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick display, scroll down a bit and here you'll notice font size and style. Click on it. And now you can change the font size over here just by tapping on the scale. Then here you will be able to notice how big or how small this font will be. And also you can change the font style. So click over here and you can select one from the available options. You can also download some if you want to, but I will pick, for example, Gothic Bold. And then you can also bold your font if you want to. So tap on this switcher and as you can see here, it's bolded. And if you will go back, everything will be bolded and in the chosen font style. So if you would like to go back to the default one, open the font size and style one more time and select the default settings. So switch off bold font, go to default style and also pick the smaller font size. And that's it. Now we are back in default settings. So that's it. This is how you can change the font size and style. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.